Hi everyone, welcome to Matlab and octave course. And this course is important for the engineering and engineering part for competition. If you are civil engineering, industrial, electrical and computer engineering, this course is very beneficial for you. Also, if you have a different departments, also you can learn these stuffs to implement in real life. And first of all, I will give some suggestion about Matlab and Octave. If you have student license in your university, and for student license means the mail. If you have mail, you can download the Matlab as a free. If you have not any email, you can download this directly by using Octave because Octave is free. And what's Matlab? Matlab is a high-performance language for technical computing. Also, it integrates computation visualization and programming in an easy-to-use environment where problems and solutions are expressed in familiar mathematical notations. And what's Matlab again? This can generally use math and computation, algorithm development, data acquisition, modeling, simulation and prototyping, data analysis, exploration and visualization, scientific and engineering graphics, application environment. Now I take my master degree in my university and I use image processing by using Matlab and Python because this has really good libraries to use and easy to use for you. And also you can use Matlab for car simulation. You can do whatever you want, just you should think which course I should take. this just this course just is about competition and what's algorithm uh, behind the Matlab. The name Matlab stands for Matrix Laboratory. Matlab is an interactive system whose basic data element is an array that does not require dimensioning. This allows us to solve many technical problems, especially those with matrix and vector formulations, very quickly. It doesn't need any um, array or implement array. You should write array in Java. Just you just determined where is the array. You should define it in beginning of the code. But in the Matlab, there's nothing just like that. You doesn't need an integer, doesn't need an string. Just write the name and equality something. Matlab automatically understand that. Therefore, it's very easy to use. Matlab features a family of add-on application-specific solutions called toolboxes. Toolbox allow us to learn and apply specialized technology. Octave. So what I said in the beginning of the course is a again high-level interpreted language preliminary intended for numerical computations. It's totally same, identical to Matlab, and almost all programs are directly portable. You can in this course you can use Octave because it's free again and again. I use Matlab. You can write the same code on Octave, it works, and there's no problem for the Octave. But if you improve in the further, you can use some image processing stuff or digital signal processing. You should use the Matlab because the Octave is just the basic stuffs, just competition. And you if you want to draw something, you can use Octave, but Matlab is more advanced. So Matlab desktop basically looks like that, and also I will show you. This is just the introduction of this course, and just give it some information about you about Matlab. Sorry, and Octave desktop is something like that. You can see that it's really similar to each other. There's no there's no difference between them. The following text up components are observed. You I will upload this slide in PDF format in our, you can see the YouTube introduction, YouTube comment. You can see that command window, command history, launch button, workspace. You should uh, open some workspace and you should work on that, because if you define some pictures in this workspace, you can use only this part of the code. You cannot use the other parts. It's something like the Java is similar to Java. You can, it's something just specialized in this area. For Octave Desktop, in the command window is, you should see something like that. This means that this is your command window and this is waiting for you to enter a command. It's possible to use Matlab as a scientific calculation with a wide variety of built-in functions. And by the way, Matlab is really fast calculation and is very high speed. You you calculate the very advanced stuffs in Matlab. For example, again, this, you see that this, you can, if you see that you are in command window. For example, if you write command window 3 plus 4, it directly gives 7. 5 multiplication 2 is give 10. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 over 2 is 1.5. 3 over 2 is again 0.000. This is a different part. This something 3 over 2, this 2 over 3, because is again is the same. If you calculate some part, you give this result. Again, Matlab is the works something like a people. You should tell them what it wants, what it should work. Again, 5 over 3 is 125. 5 over 3 is something like that. Square 3 is something squared. It's the same. Just are squared. It takes squared. It's the same. You define p like a p. You write it directly. This p is 3.14 and something like that. Is 1 is 8 10. Sorry, this is the radian p. So again, sorry. Is the at 10 means arctangent. It gives arctangent. 180 gives us the 1.26. Also see that is the, here is the, it writes a command history. It writes what you did in the past. It show you. Also name, workspace name, answer 1.26. This answer is something like that. Work command history shows you what you did in the past. It shows everything, but the workspace only what it starts with, this one, this one, and ending the equation. These two parts. We did the last one, arctangent p, we calculated, and it takes the memory this one. If you click is this one, you see the in an array just 1.626. It's just like that. And you can also use the Matlab as a calculator or Octave. Again, they are same, and you can use something calculation in this part. You can use the parentheses because Matlab doesn't understand which part should I calculate, because we know that in the basic stuff, if you do some job, first of all is the multiplication, division, subtraction, and multiplication. There is some order for that. You should give some order for by doing some parentheses. If you something doing like that is 23 plus this one, it gives you something like that. We write this the command window is, let's check the DC result. If you get rid of this parenthesis, you'll see different results.